In this video, I'm going to show you how to find coupons on CNFans. To maximize your saving on CNFans, consider the following strategies. First is welcome bonus. New users can receive a welcome bonus totaling $129 divided into 14 shipping coupons. To claim this, just simply register on the CNFans website or application. Second is monthly shopping week. From the 19th and to the 26th of each month, CNFans offer a 5% discount on all products. Mark your calendar to take advantage of this savings. 3 is the referral program. Invite friends to join CNFans through the app. For each successful referral, you can earn balance rewards and coupons. Accumulating referrals can lead to significant benefits. 4th is third-party platforms. Websites like JadeShip compile verify CNFans discount codes. Regularly check their platform for the latest promotions. 5th is the social media and forums. Engage with communities and platforms like Reddit and TikTok. Users often share exclusive discount codes and promotions related to CNFans. By staying informed and utilizing these avenues, you can effectively find and apply coupons at CNFans to enhance your shopping experience. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.